Alright, so just very recently I ran into a big problem with my bike. What had happened was I just stopped to get gas, turned off the bike, filled up, then went to go turn it back on. What happened was it wouldn't start. Battery was good, I knew that for a fact. The starter actually was never turning over when I would hit the ignition. So I researched it a little bit and I figured out that on the ignition switch itself there's contact points here. Alright, that's on the bike itself. That's with the switch off. Now the starter switch is this little piece right here. I don't know if I can focus that for you. That contact right there, those two little contacts, sometimes they're actually known to melt into the plastic. Hence, it would not contact these points here. So there's two contact points because I believe one's your headlight, one's the ignition. So what happens was, to save juice on the battery when you start your bike, it leaves one contact, which is the top, I believe, which turns off your headlight, contacts the ignition, which is the bottom two, and then once you release the button it goes back to the top and your headlight stays on. So yeah, who would have known that this is actually the problem that's causing my GSXR to not start. So the way that I figured this out was I actually shorted those contact points by making like a little U out of copper wire to see if that was in fact the problem, because the contacts actually look pretty good. I could not tell if they were melted into the plastic or not. So to test it, I just made like a little U out of copper wire, which looks like this. So when I turn the key on, I hit those two contact points like so, and then the bike actually did turn over and start, and that's how I knew it was the problem. So again, this is for any of you that actually have a GSXR and it's, you know, your headlight's not turning on and it's not clicking when it starts. Check your starter switch. So that was a problem with mine. I hope this helped, so peace.